Hey guys, today we'll be learning how to solve a problem 4 different ways.
4 different ways?
Yes, 4 different ways. So the problem is as follows. Mr. Shook sent his son Mathbert to count his cows and chickens. All of the animals are normal, which means they got one head and some legs. And Mathbert likes to have little fun. So he said, I counted 100 heads and 312 legs. Mr. Shook needs your help solving this riddle. How many cows and chickens did Mathbert see? So the first way to solve this problem is elimination and substitution. So there are 2 equations. There is x plus y is equal to 100, and then 4x plus 2y is equal to 312. So you multiply the first equation by -2 to get rid of the y's. And you are left with 2x is equal to 112. So you divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 56. And then you plug 56 back into the original set of equations, and you get 56 plus y is equal to 100. And you subtract 56 from both sides, and y is equal to 44. So you have 56 cows and 44 chickens.
Oh.
So the next way to solve this problem is by using a table. And you want to keep one of these numbers constant, so you keep the heads constant. So you always have 100 heads. So the most number of cows you can have with 100 heads is 100 cows. So you have 100 cows, 0 chickens, 100 heads, but 400 legs. And the number of chickens you can have with 100 heads is 100 chickens. So you have 0 cows, 100 chickens, 100 heads, but only 200 legs. So then you go up in here and you go to the middle, right up in here, and then you have 50 cows, 50 chickens, 100 heads, but 300 legs right up in here. And so then you go down and you add some numbers, and then you get to 56 cows, 44 chickens, 100 heads, and 312 legs, and that is your answer. Okay, so next, then you have another way to answer this, and that's Cramer's rule of determinants. So you have 2 equations. You have 1x plus 1y is equal to 100. And then 4x plus 2y is equal to 312. And in this little equation thing, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 100, d is equal to 4, 2 is equal to e, or e is equal to 2. And then f is equal to 312. And to find x, you have c times e minus b times f over a times e minus b times d. So x is equal to 100 times 2 minus 1 times 312 over 1 times 2 minus 1 times 4. And then that is equal to negative 112 over negative 2, so then x is equal to 56. And then to find y, you have a times f minus c times d over a times e minus b times d. And then that is equal to 1 times 312 minus 100 times 4 over 1 times 2 minus 1 times 4. And that is equal to negative 88 over negative 2. And then y is equal to 44. Now, the last way to solve this problem is inverse matrices, which is kind of hard, but that's okay. And so you have the set of equations, and you have x plus y is equal to 100. And then 4x plus 2y is equal to 312. In this problem, matrix A will be 1, 1, 4, 2 from these numbers right here. And then matrix B is equal to 100 and 312. And to find the inverse of matrix A, it's equal to 1 over the determinant of A times D, negative B, negative C, and A. And to divide the determinant, to find the determinant, you have A times D, this is A, and this is D, minus B times C. So that's equal to 1 over negative 2, because that's this right here, times 2, negative 1, negative 4, and 1, times 100 and 312. So that's equal to 1 negative 1/2 times negative 112 and negative 88. So then the inverse of matrix A is equal to 56 and 44. Yay, math! I'm gone now.